Hello. Hello. Okay. We get the homies on the board. Yo,
Yo, it's a good work.
yo, join the court. I'm live right now.
Oh shit. I bet.
All right, bet. He's up. Gotta get the other homie, and then we'll do our analysis and explain it.
Your call has been forwarded to voice.
All right. So I'm gonna look at my big screen. I'm gonna mark everything out, and then I'll go on this one because my big screen is easier for me to just get my quick levels real quick. I honestly don't like where we are right now. I see like I could see longs happening, but we have nothing to long off of. Like, we have nothing, and I could see a short move happening because of like the hella fair value to the downside. All right, so I want longs, but I wouldn't be able to enter off of my OG model, the model that I've showed you guys. Let me mark everything out. Yeah, there's so many draws on liquidity to the upside. We just have literally nothing to go off of. We have we're too far down to like go all the way up here without there just being like a huge like market open and then we just shoot up to the upside. I can't really see us going up. And if we look, there is like this new week opening gap from a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I'm looking for shorts because it's literally like most likely what I'm gonna take. There are a lot of reasons to go down. I don't see us going up. This whole week has been bearish. Might as well take shorts, you know? We could react off of this order block over here, so I'm gonna be careful. But other than that, yeah, I'm looking for shorts. The only way I would long is if we just start shooting up off the open and don't sweep any lows. But yeah, that's it for today, really. See if the homies are gonna join. They're not in yet. They're about to though. Yeah, so I'm trading in this account and then I'm trading another 50K Express. And then I usually enter with like 8 micros. But yeah, you see something. 5 minutes, so alright. We'll keep looking. Let's look at the hourly. So yeah, I could see us making a short play. I could see us going down here and then maybe going up eventually, but I think today, at least my session, the time I'm allowed to trade, those 40 minutes, I think it's gonna go down, fill this, maybe fill some of these, and then eventually come back up. It's Nasdaq. It's gonna go back up eventually. You just don't know when. But yeah, that's it really. Going to daily. Yeah, where we've been in such a strong uptrend since April. Since those tariffs got settled, we've been just really quickly going up. Like we've been way more bullish than usual. I don't see why we would stop now. I feel like the markets are just gonna keep on pumping in the long run for like a couple of years. This is low-key like a decent sized retracement too. I think this is the most we've retraced ever since April. Now that I think about it, yeah. This is the longest like we've had. Am I tripping? No, I'm not. So yeah, I'm looking for longs. I mean, I'm looking for shorts. But I do think eventually we're gonna go back up. So let me take that off. We're respecting a 4 hour gap right now after sweeping 4 hour lows. We just swept a whole bunch of 4 hour draws on liquidity and we filled the 4 hour gap. There's one below it though. I think a lot of people are in longs. I think we have to stop them out. So I do want shorts, if I'm being honest. I would short as soon as we swept the 5 minute pre-market high. Damn, no one's in here. What the hell? But yeah, the trend is also down. We're in a downtrend. Yeah, today's looking like it's gonna be a no trade day, to be honest. I highly doubt that I'm gonna get an entry or a nice entry, but we'll see. This account is at 1300 right now, like in profit. And then I also passed an express yesterday. If you watched my video yesterday, but yeah, low key, I might full port another eval today, cause why not? 10 minutes to market opens. Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, look at that. Ever since April, we've every month has been bullish. That's crazy. That's insane. And we've never moved like this. Like, look at the history. That's crazy. Like, these are strong too. Tariff news came out. We swept out lows and then wait. Bruh. My math teacher barely assigned us some math homework. Yeah, so in April we swept lows. We're making a long way. We're in an uptrend. Everybody knows the Nasdaq is going to go up in the long run. If you're able to catch that long in April. All right. And where are my friends? He's probably still getting his buys. 15-minute. Yeah, we're so bearish. Like, there's no way we go up today. But we did just sweep out every draw. Low-key, we might go up. I'm low-key, like, I just have to see what happens on open. We swept out all these lows. We have so many reasons to go up. We still have these 4-hour highs too that I wanted initially yesterday. I want us to go up. I just don't see how we could. Unless we forward the low right now. Unless this candle forms a low and then the next one closes above it. Then yeah, we could take a long as long as we fail to sweep this low. What the hell? Price could possibly react off of that, but I want it to go higher. And then I'm also gonna look at ES for S&T divergence. Actually, I'm gonna look at where ES wants to go. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. ES still has draws to the downside, but NQ is fair value to the downside. Oh my gosh. I just wish this candle could go below that
Yeah.
low. This one to the next one, but then we need a candle that not touch it. What the hell? Yo,
Yeah.
I'm streaming right now.
Alright.
Send it to me if you want. Bro, what are you looking for?
Me?
What are you looking for today?
My bias is short.
Me too. Bro, we always have the same bias.
Uh,
Bro, it's most likely gonna go down. Let's be real. Unless we could create a low, like unless we could create another low other than the low right now, and then we sweep that low, I wouldn't take a long. Or unless we just start shooting up off of the open. You would enter a long if we broke to the upside, right?
I mean, yeah, it depends if we're already in an uptrend on the 1 minute or not.
On the women we are, yeah. But it's like a consolidatory uptrend. I just need us to make a wick that I could possibly take a long. 'Cause I do think I honestly prefer us taking longs than shorts, but it's more likely gonna go down.
Yeah.
But it would be better for my P&O if it went up. That's my account balance. My teeth hurt so bad. Uh, oh my, bro. There's so many like draws on liquidity to the upside. That's the thing. Especially like with London session, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at how many London session relatively equal highs were created. Like anybody who took a long in London session got cooked because we failed to sweep every single high, bro. We just created relatively equal high after relatively equal high. We're probably gonna keep failing to sweep highs, most likely. Will you take a long if we swept today's low and then broke to the upside?
Actually, no, I wouldn't.
Did you backtest yesterday from what I told you?
No, I didn't have time. Probably go do it today.
Do you believe me though? Like, did you notice that,
Yeah.
like, oh, if you enter a long when price is just consolidating at the level you want it to go up, it tends not to
Yeah.
win. Or
Yeah.
if you just run down too far, it tends not to win. Like, it'll win maybe like 1 out of 5 times. But yeah, the government shutdown ended.
Oh yeah. What was the bill or whatever?
They're gonna
You
increase
know?
healthcare, so I'm thinking
Oh,
we're gonna go down today because of that. I think that's why we're like creating a down move already. Hold on,
Oh
bro.
shit.
oh hey Anthony.
What's up,
Yo, what's up,
Anthony?
yo? My bad, my bad.
I'm live streaming right now
You're live streaming on what?
on YouTube.
Alright, for sure.
I want us to make a low, and then maybe the next candle at market open closes upward, but fails to sweep it, and then we could sweep it, and then I can get a break to the upside, or we just end up dumping off of the open. Oh no,
Yeah.
there's 4 different outcomes that I could enter off of today, if I'm being honest. Yeah, we made a low. Now I want us to close up though. Like I want us to not go too. I don't want us to keep staying down. I want this kind of to create a little wick. Oh my gosh. What's your bias, Anthony?
Just off looking at the chart already, just short.
Yeah.
It's just
Clear down.
bearish as fuck.
Yeah. This whole week, huh?
Yeah. I could have caught like a nice long last night, but
Look, we're doing exactly what I wanted. What the hell? Bro, imagine the next candle fails to like create a lower wick, and then we sweep it the third candle, and then I get an entry. That'd be fire.
What the downside?
To a long. I'd prefer a long to be honest, but I wouldn't be allowed to take a long if we sweep today's low. That's why I'm hoping that we make a new low higher than today's low, and then we sweep it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like I wouldn't want but it has to be a 5-minute low, so I don't want the next candle to sweep it, or else it's technically not a pre-market low anymore. I want this candle to close up, but I might just end up taking a long if we just keep going up right now.
yeah, me too.
We'll see. I'm
I
looking
think
at
if
the
it
1 minute on my big screen.
I'm looking at the 5 minute. If it closes above this, like kind of previous high, I might enter.
For sure. Just make sure it's actually your strategy, bro. Okay. First candle's a down close. We swept highs. I don't like that we swept highs on the 1 minute. Okay. Alright, yeah, so I can't take a long off of my OG model today. Honestly, a nice short. I'm not gonna answer, but I can see it playing out. I want this candle to close up and the next one to close down, and then I'll answer. Okay. If this candle closes below that low, I'm gonna answer short. We're moving mad slow. Yeah. So we need to close below this low on the 1 minute. And then I'll get a short. Try a different one. Okay. Hold up. Yeah, no, we're too far down to take a long. Anthony, would you enter if we break to the upside or not?
Nah, yeah. I just gotta wait for the 5 minute though.
You're gonna wait for a 5 minute break?
Yeah.
The heck?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a 5 minute break. I'm kind of like I'm on NQ, bro. So I'm gonna play it like extra safe.
Why are you on NQ?
I just wanna pass my evals already, bro.
Just be safe, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Bro, my NQ chart is glitchy as hell. Did NQ not sweep the low? Hold up. Yeah, we did. Oh, okay. It got fixed. What the heck? I low-key don't think I'm gonna trade today, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How come?
I would say, oh, I'd enter my new model, but we consolidated, so I need us to run down for a bit before I enter a new model trade. So just wait. If we go low enough, I could low-key see us going up eventually, but
I'm not gonna lie. I lost my funded last night.
wait, what?
Yeah, I lost my funded last night, but I just hit for 1,500 right now. So
Oh, okay.
all right, I need to play it smart. I need to play it smart tomorrow. I'm not making no more dumbass trades, bro. Patrick, you're right, bro. Like, bro, I was trading with my homie, bro.
I told you not to, bro.
I know, I was bro. I was so greedy, bro. I was full porting, trying to pass my funded, bro.
Did your homie tell you to?
Nah. It's not his fault, bro. It's not his, bro. I'm the one that clicked, bro. So he was like, oh, like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna blame no one but myself, but I just made 15 off a short right now.
That's good, bro.
Now I gotta wait.
Yeah, we're dumping. I'd be allowed to short off of my new model if we have momentum, so
Hold on, I'll be back.
sure. So I low-key might get an entry right now, Fernando. Where are you in the trade, Fernando?
Yeah, I just entered
What do you enter off of?
the retracement up.
Like right now?
Yeah.
I might be in it with you. I'm just gonna see where this candle closes. Never mind, I'm not in it. Yeah, I'm not in it. Let me know when you win.
I don't know. I just feel iffy on where to put my take profit.
There's a new week opening gap that's still unfilled. I think we're trying to fill it.
Yeah, that's why I kind of have it right now at the end of it.
Yeah, that's probably what I would target if I was you. I honestly already thought it was gonna go down, so you're probably gonna win.
I mean, we'll see.
Where's your stop loss?
At the high,
Wait, what? Like which high?
632.
632. There's a 632 high. What?
Like 632 was a green candle, 633 was a down candle, or 633 and 634. My bad.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Damn. Huh? I don't think I'm gonna trade today.
No,
I don't think I want to enter.
Did you close your position, Patrick?
I'm not in a trade yet.
Uh, I thought I heard you entered.
No.
You're in one, right, Fernando? Locked in.
You just hit an order block. It was below that low.
you go restroom. You're about to enter, no?
No. I'm not gonna trade
No.
today.
Okay.
No, okay, I'm gonna enter. I do see this going down. If I can get better pricing, I'll enter.
Yeah, I'll wait for
Okay.
better pricing too. I think it's just gonna keep dumping today again, bro. To be honest.
Probably. But I need some
Order filled.
I need a better
Okay.
reason.
I bet. Passed my eval.
You did? Good shit.
Good shit. Hey, do you know if Asia session like it resets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're able to
Like
trade.
it'll take you out all the trades.
So it'll like technically count as like a whole new day.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause that's what Patrick did.
All right, bet. I'm passing that shit tonight,
Bruh.
guaranteed.
Just be
Mark my
careful.
word.
Bro, you
Mark
just
my
said you're
words,
not gonna
bro.
do that shit.
No, no. Like I'm gonna make a smart trade still. Like, bro, today was so bearish. Like I knew it was gonna go down. Like, honestly, catching the market opens is like kind of. I feel like it's easy.
Yeah, that's what I prefer doing. I prefer doing market opens.
Order filled.
Bruh. I did go down.
Did
as
you
far as I
enter?
entered. Now I did, yeah.
What? On accident?
No, on purpose.
Because it went back up to where you were supposed to enter originally.
Yeah, I hit the fair value, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. I gotta move my stop loss a little bit higher.
I feel like price is so slow right now.
I think we're gonna dump since we have that gap. Like I wouldn't
mean,
have entered,
definitely,
but we
man.
have so many fair value gaps and new week opening gap.
There's also a lot like 3 lows back to back right below the gap.
Order filled.
I took some out though,
All right, that's good. That's good.
because I was
How much you
risking
risking?
a little bit more than I wanted to.
Okay.
If you go more into the gap, I'll re-enter with just to make it a $500 risk. But I gotta use the bathroom, so we'll
For real.
see right now. Seem to tell me if you're ready.
Order filled.
Fuck. It's still the same amount of risk. I thought I caught better pricing.
It's slow.
Put it at the gap being filled though. Since that's my idea. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
All right. That's not the account. So how'd you blow your account, Anthony?
I was full porting, bro. Just doing some dumbass shit, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna make dumbass trades no more, bro. I feel like I've been treating this like as a game a little bit lately, bro. I gotta stop treating it like that, bro. So I'm gonna take it like way more serious. Like I want to get a payout already, bro.
Yeah, I feel that.
Shit, I want to pass my EVA already, bro. I'm trying to get impatient. I feel like I should have been. Nah, I shouldn't have been past it. It was my first one, but I should just. I learned a good amount already. I feel like I'm ready.
I'm back.
Yo,
Um, wait, Fernando, are you still in?
Yeah, I'm still in. Of course.
I don't know. This isn't looking the best for me.
I hate it too.
But your stop loss is way further than mine. I'll tell you
Oh,
that.
God. I don't
It's
know.
like tickling my stop loss right now. I'm just hoping the same thing that happened yesterday happens and we just
Yeah.
have like a quick ass down candle right now. Chestnuts roasting. Damn. I had hope there for a second.
For-
Wait, Fernando, are you trading tomorrow?
No.
No? I
Why?
am.
Why?
Because I think I'm gonna lose today.
bro, you're not gonna lose today, bro.
Bro,
Don't
it's
even
literally at
say
my
that,
stop
bro.
loss. I'm gonna lose today.
Wait, watch your. Honestly, no, nah. You're gonna win though, bro. Trust.
Order filled.
If we go down, who's entering?
Nah, I think he probably did. Did you are you out, Fernando, or you just like maybe
No, I'm
took?
still in there.
Huh?
No, I'm still in it.
Do you take out some risk?
No, I was trying to start another eval, man.
This guy.
Mm.
I'm cooked. Yeah,
Order
I
filled.
lost. That's GG's. I'm done for the day. Yeah, nah. Bro, I had a feeling I shouldn't have traded today. I kept saying I wasn't gonna.
Fuck. Fuck.
Alright, I'm gonna hop off.
All right then, Patrick.
I'm gonna hop off the stream. It's GG's.